Today I present to you the newest model Nubee infrared thermometer 2014. The model number is NUB 8380H and it's approved by US FDA. On your right hand corner you have the temperature it reads negative 50 Celsius to 380 Celsius, negative 58 Fahrenheit to 716 Fahrenheit. On the back you have the distance spot radio, which is 12 to 1. You have the battery 9 volts. We're going to open it. We have the manual. We have the thermometer. And we have the battery. How you install the battery: first we take off the plastic that it comes wrapped in. Next thing you do, it's open here. You have the battery and the connection. The way you connect it, it's big to small and small to big. You just push them in and you put it back in, close it. The way you turn this on is you push the trigger button, hold it until it turns on, you let it go. You want to turn it off, the only thing you have to do is don't push any button and it will automatically turn off by itself in less than 15 seconds, as it did. You turn it back on, it's holding the trigger button. It turns on. On your left hand corner you have the Celsius and Fahrenheit button. You decide what do you want to use. You have Celsius and you have Fahrenheit. Next thing is to take the temperature of the items you want to take. You push the trigger button as it says hold. You hold it and it's scanning. And it's scanning for the temperature. If you don't want this light, you think it's too bright, the thing you could do while you're scanning is holding the trigger button and push this button on your right and the light turns off. You want it on, you do the same thing. Hold the trigger button and the button and you have it on. That's easy. For the laser, you have this triangle on your top that indicates that you have a laser, as you can see. You don't want the laser, the only thing you have to do is push the button on your right. The triangle disappears and you don't have no more laser. You want it back on, just push the right button and the triangle appears and you have the laser. Next thing, you have a mode button down here for the EMS and for the max. How do you use max? It's easy. It's when you're going to take a temperature of more than one item. You keep holding the trigger button without letting it go until you're done taking the temperature of all the items you want. And down here gives you the max temperature. Up here it's scanning all the items. That's why you can see that it changes every time, because it gives you the accurate temperature of each item you're taking up. And down here it gives you the max. Then you have the EMS. The normal number you need for the EMS is how it is, 0.95, to take the temperature of windows, houses, your car, your fridge, stuff like that. But when you're gonna take a temperature of aluminum, gold, iron, steel, you would need to change your EMS. How do you change your EMS? Is by using the Fahrenheit button to go down and the right button to go up. How do you get these codes? It's easy. Just go to your manual and it shows you a small diagram of some materials and their EMS. You have all these materials, and you have their EMS. Right here, you have the materials and the EMS. One more thing, you have a low battery indicator, which will appear on your right hand corner. That would mean you would have to change your battery. And have good luck. Today I present to you the newest model Nubee infrared thermometer 2014. The model number is NUB8380H, and it's approved by US FDA. On your right hand corner you have the temperature it reads, -50 Celsius to 380 Celsius, -58 Fahrenheit to 716 Fahrenheit. On the back you have the distance spot radio, which is 12